Do I really need furnace maintenance in Nampa, Idaho? Yes, you really do. Regularly scheduled furnace maintenance will help you save money, stay comfortable, and give you peace of mind all winter long. Things work better and last longer when they're taken care of. The 3 main benefits of a yearly furnace maintenance checkup are: 1. Your furnace will run at peak performance when properly maintained. 2. Regular furnace tune-ups will extend the life of your furnace. 3. Yearly furnace maintenance will maintain your warranty. When it comes to furnace maintenance service, you can count on Peppy to hop to it right away. The Peppy Performance Furnace Maintenance Tune-Up is a game changer. Their skilled HVAC technicians will perform a thorough evaluation of your furnace with their 21-step checklist. They'll investigate key components that may need to be replaced, as well as check for dangerous leaks. Got a question about furnace air filters? Your Peppy Pro will also advise you on a filter changeout schedule to meet the needs of your home. And when it's time to consider replacing your furnace, they'll always provide options. Furnace maintenance in Nampa, Idaho just got easy. Get friendly and expert advice from the HVAC experts at Peppy Heating and Cooling. Schedule your furnace maintenance tune-up today. You'll be glad you did. Peppy Heating and Cooling is located at 3749 East Comstock Avenue in Nampa, Idaho, 83687. Call 208-586-3525 today.